PPP SBA loan. My name is QUiNTiN Banks. I'm here to give you guys the latest and the greatest information, especially when it comes down to your PPP loan update. Once again, if you guys got questions or concerns at any time in this video, feel free to drop the comments below because I'm going to be help work with you guys. I actually got different financial institutions that's actually going to help work with you guys as well. Today we're going to talk about Womply. We're also going to be talking about Wells Fargo, Chime, Capital Plus, all of that good stuff, right? But first, before we get into that, I do want to let you guys know I am doing a giveaway at the end of the month. So the best way to actually be entered in the giveaway is to make sure you like and subscribe. That way you are in tune with every video I post. But also, I'm going to keep you guys updated with the giveaway as well towards the end of the month. Now, a quick summary of how that's going to work is basically I will put your name in a random generator. That random name generator will actually pick your name. You'll become the winner. I'll probably do PayPals or Cash Apps or something electronic. That way, you know what I mean, to the winner, because I appreciate you guys for actually tuning in. Now let's get right to this video. Funded, applied 524, SBA approved 527, PN 6/8 funded. Today 6/17. They said they didn't have to re-verify. Wells Fargo personal account, 7 business day lender. Now, everybody was asking about this as well as far as how long does it take. And I'm glad they actually put their timeline on there. When it comes to Wells Fargo, I am not 110% sure if this is going to apply for everybody. So if you guys have Wells Fargo, drop the comments below. Let me know exactly where you guys stand. I know people with Cash App, which I talked about in my previous videos. People with Cash App have been funded with ease, and there was a lot of people was hitting me up about that as well. So I try my best to respond to everybody, and I do know also, like I said, when it comes to like Chime and Cash App, they reach out to me personally and they tell me to basically give you guys the best information possible. So we're going to get into these comments. First or second draw, somebody said I applied on the same day but haven't received PN yet through Womply. Now I do want to know, I do want to ask you guys, do you guys have Womply, Blueacorn? Who are you guys using as your lender? I know a lot of people was talking to me about Blueacorns and talking about how Blueacorns was a scam. But I do want to let you guys know it does seem like when they fund in phases, meaning let's say today is Capital Plus, or today is Cash App, or today is Wells Fargo, where that's the hot bank to get applied to actually get your funds through, you know. And then it's like there's moments, then it's, let's say in a month or a couple of weeks, it may be Chime Bank, you know, and then the week after that, it may be Chase Bank. So it really all depends, guys, on the moment. But I do want to let you guys know they fund in batches, meaning they'll fund 1,000 people at once. They'll fund 100 people at once, 500 people at once. So it's hard to really tell. And also what actually determines your funding process is the amount. Now people was getting funded for $40,000, $30,000. And of course that may take a little bit longer than somebody getting funded for $5,000, $3,000, $15,000, $20,000, you know. So there are certain limits, but everybody should be funded, especially if you are in the system. Still no PN for me either. I was told if you don't have a loan number by now, the application wasn't submitted to the SBA in time. Now guys, let me know if that's true or not. I know lots of people who did not receive a loan number and they still were funded. So I wouldn't say that's 110% the truth, but that is a possibility, guys. Now, feel free to drop your comments below. Let me know where you guys stand. I will be keeping you guys updated, of course, with the latest and greatest information, as I always do. We're going to talk about Chime, Capital Plus, all that good stuff. But as I said, make sure you guys like and subscribe. That way, you guys are in tune with the latest and greatest information. What is going on, everybody out there? My name is QUiNTiN Banks, SBA PPP loan. Looks like we got Cash App being funded as of today. If you guys are using Cash App, feel free to drop those comments and concerns below. A lot of people is asking, should I do Cash App personal, Cash App business? What's the best way to actually use my Cash App to get funded? I'm going to have all those answers here shortly. But first, make sure you guys like and subscribe. That way you guys are in tune with the latest and greatest information. And I'm done talking. Let's get into all this good stuff. All right. So this was a screenshot I received. This says your direct deposit of $11,521 was direct deposited. It does look like it was at 6:45 a.m. So it's vital if you guys check your emails. You guys want to check your emails. All right, it's very, very important you guys check your emails each and every day. As you guys can see, this was updated today at 6:45 a.m. Cash App, let's see exactly who their lender was. Guys, if you guys got questions, feel free to drop those questions and concerns below. So here's the timeline. There was Cash App through Harvest, May 6th application, May 25th approved, May 28th signed, June went to lender funding, all green. 6/12 went to updated bank info needed. We submitted it, the same info they had. 6/15 changed back to lender funding, and a few hours later to borrow funded. Woke up at 7 a.m. to a text from Cash App that my funds were there and will be available soon. I am so relieved. So guys, that's the timeline. A lot of people ask about different timelines, but as I always say, everybody is different. Just depending on the amount that you guys were approved for. But Cash App does like they're accepting those loans up to, I think, $20,000. So Cash App is doing that. Now, if you guys need Cash App personal or Cash App business, let's get to those answers as well. But somebody began to say, I'm with Cash App. I'm responding to a question I don't see and I'm driving, so can't really check. You changed your Cash App to a business account. They said it's been a business account actually. Is it clear yet or fail? I got the same urgent email to send banking documents that they already have. I'm sending them again in hopes they act swiftly and fund me already. SBA approved all green checks for a month. I am a real business with all the correct documentation. Everything signed now. This I don't understand. I can't even get a Cash App statement. Do I have to upload a Cash App statement? They begin to say, when they ask you for an update banking, did you change your name to bank to Cash App? I think I'm about to do it even though all checks are green. The answer to that, they begin to say, I sent the bank statement from my GoBank, which was Uber, and the routing and account from Cash App since they was the one they verified. I did the exact same thing I had previously done. What is your status? My status still is in update bank info, but all green checks. I began to say, I honestly don't think you need to change anything at this point. I didn't listen to their advice, LOL, but everyone is saying unless you got the email saying they need something else, if just be patient. I'll post my timeline in which they did. You know, so if you got information claiming you need to change your bank account or do XYZ and you don't think it's true, like if you think it's a glitch, more than likely it is a glitch. You know, they have been receiving those or sending out those emails, which is, it seems like they trigger something in the system, but that system tends to glitch out. So if you keep having to re-verify bank information, they're stating like 9 times out of 10, they have received it. It's just the glitches in that. So it's good to see that other people are in the same boat, you know. And feel free to drop, you know, your status in the comment section. As I always say, I got financial institutions who actually watch my content, so it'd be good if they help you guys. I'll try to help you guys as well. Do you use direct deposit forms or Cash App bank statement? They said Womply said they sent my funds to my Cash App on 6/9. Still nothing though. All I did was copy and paste my deposit info from Cash App to Womply and uploaded the required direct deposit form. It's been 5 business days. Like I always say, you gotta count those business days. You know, Monday through Friday, that's a business week, business day. You know, Saturday, Sunday, they do not count as business days. They begin to say, I will get back to answering everyone's questions. I am not ignoring you guys, but I'm in the middle of some stuff. How long did the money pin for? It's pending now. Cash App says not to worry, it won't be sent back. You know, they said let me know or keep me updated. I'm still pending. 1 hour and 40 minutes. I'll let you know. Heard it could take up to 7 hours. I sure hope that's true. Not sure why they would show it to you but not make it available. That's supposed to be instant access. In any case, congratulations. Which is true. You know, some people were getting funded and it went straight through. It was strictly available. But now it seems like they're doing more checks. They're doing more verification checks. They want to make sure, you know, your bank account is legit, because a lot of people have been, you know, putting false information on these PPP loans. So they are actually investigating when it comes to the delays and stuff like that. They are